Hello there and welcome to Virtual Crafts. I'm starting another series in which I'll be showing you guys some websites and some online and offline tools that every professional must know about and that will add value to your life and your career. You should bookmark these incredibly useful sites because you may need them in your daily life, especially students may need these websites and tools to get their stuff done quickly and easily. Finding useful websites can be tough. There are well over a billion sites on the web and a good number of them are totally useless. With an endless number of sites, tools, and resources out there, how do you know what's worth your time? Well, I know just how busy you are, so I did the legwork for you and found some websites and tools that'll add value to your life and your career, guaranteed. So hop on to the playlist and check out the next videos. Each of the video in the playlist will be solving a problem you most frequently come across almost daily. Subscribe the channel please and press the bell icon next to it to receive new hacks and courses on the earliest. Plus it's gonna help me too. See you in the next one.